In this guide, we will explore essential details about the 2019 Ford Edge fuse box. Where can you locate the fuse box in your vehicle? And how do you interpret the fuse box diagram? What are the different fuse functions and their corresponding locations? Power distribution box. The 2019 Ford Edge power distribution box is equipped with a compact design that houses fuses and relays for various electrical systems, facilitating efficient power management. It features clear labeling for easy identification of fuses, ensuring quick access for maintenance and troubleshooting. Power distribution box bottom. The 2019 Ford Edge power distribution box bottom features a layout that houses fuses and relays critical for managing and distributing electrical power to various vehicle systems efficiently. Passenger compartment fuse panel. The 2019 Ford Edge passenger compartment fuse panel is located under the dashboard on the driver's side and contains fuses that protect essential electrical components such as the interior lighting, climate control, and infotainment system. It provides easy access for fuse replacement and maintenance.
Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, a GC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile fuse, a Tandard PAL fuse. Link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage, link fuse. Fuse conditions: blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses: turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools, check for correct amperage, avoid water exposure.
If this guide on fuse box location and diagram is helpful, give a like or subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.